How to fix country option not showing in FPL. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix country option not showing in FPL. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the FPL application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the Fantasy tab on the bottom center of your screen and further tap on the More option and then on Manage Account option. Under Personal Details, tap on the Update Personal Details button and go to the Country tab. As you can see, I have the Country and Region tab, so you can go ahead and change the country or region if you want and tap on the Update Personal Details option to save the changes you made. But just in case if you do not have the country option, then go ahead and make sure you are using an updated version of the application. To check, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Fantasy Premier League and tap on that. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. Next fix for this issue is launch the settings application on your device. Now, tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Fantasy Premier League application and tap on that. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app, and by now your issue should have been fixed. So, this is how you can fix country option not showing in FPL. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.